Hello everyone, my name is Zere and today I will show you what I usually do when I have a gap between classes. First of all, I like to go to the closest convenience and buy my favorite drink, which is latte. After getting my coffee from the nearest convenience store, I like to go to the iCLA's rooftop and just enjoy the view, sit in silence, breathe fresh air. It is very calming and relaxing, and if you ever enroll to iCLA, I think you should try that as well. Just look at how beautiful iCLA's rooftop is. You can see the dorms, you can see the mountains, and it's one of my favorite places to be at. Another thing that I do is talking to other iCLA students. iCLA is a very international community. We have people from all over the world, and it's so interesting to talk to them while I have a gap between classes. From time to time, I like to spend my free time in iCLA library. Although we have a very big library in our university, I like this one as well because it is just so cozy. You can grab any manga you like and read it. Of course, apart from manga, there are a lot of other genres as well. As you can see, we even have the board games that you can play with your friends. The library may look small, but it has a lot of interesting stuff. By the way, despite being a third-year student, I still live in the dorm, and sometimes when I have a gap, I go back to my room. I live on the 7th floor, so this is the view that I see when I go back. I love my dorm room a lot because I have decorated it the way I want it. You have probably already noticed that the dorms and university are in the same building, so it literally takes you only a couple of minutes to press on the elevator button and go up to your room. I really appreciate this opportunity because it's very convenient, and sometimes I take a nap between my classes or read a book, as you can see on the video. In general, I like my dorm room a lot, so I spend quite a lot of time there. But sometimes, you really need to focus and concentrate on your task, and that's when I prefer to go to study area in university. It's a very quiet place, and seeing other people studying as well keeps me motivated. Look at how stunning the university area is. Everything is surrounded by mountains. But I'm gonna take you to a cafe that I also like to visit while I have a free time between classes. Coffee and desserts in this cafe are very tasty, and they also offer discounts for students. The ambience keeps me relaxed and motivated at the same time. Of course, I'm not a robot, and sometimes I don't feel like studying. So I just go out when I have a free time, take a deep breath, and walk around the campus. The campus is very beautiful, so just walking around and enjoying the views feels like a quality time. I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog, but I have a next class, so I'll see you later.